the number is 7. Okay. So in this video, we'll be talking about variables in Python, how it works. Now, coming back to the question, what number did I give to memorize? Was it 10? Was it 2? Was it 7? 7 it was. How did you remember? Because you may say that we have saved it in our memory. But will you be able to memorize this after 10 days, after 1 year? Chances are very low that you will remember that, right? So we have to do something, some sort of code so that we can tell this computer to memorize a number. Because we know that the computers are very better and very efficient in memorizing things better than humans, right? So how do you tell this computer to memorize a number, let's say 7? Okay, we'll use a variable. Variable works like a bowl. Let's say you have a bowl, you're putting a sauce into it or anything you want. For how long you want to keep it, you tell this code to Python, in this language Python. Okay. So if I connect this terminal and tell Python to memorize a number 7 for me. So what is it doing? It's actually storing the value 7 into it. But if we look into Python, you will see that Python never works like bowls concept. It is more like pointers concept. We'll come to that later. But the thing is, we put 7 into A. And let's say after some time, if I want to see what is the value of A, then we can simply print A. It's that easy. And this Python code, computer will always remember this value A. Okay. And that's how actually variables works in Python. And that's how we make computer to remember things in the grassroots level.